One rainy afternoon, a young man was rushing to an important appointment. He saw an old man struggling with the heavy glass door of a small shop, fumbling with the handle. The young man sighed with impatience, thinking the poor old fellow was too weak to even open a door. He pushed past him, yanked the door open with a flourish, and held it. "There you go," he said with a hint of condescension. He hurried inside to escape the rain. As the door swung shut behind him, he heard the old man's quiet voice. "Thank you, son. I was just trying to lock up for the night." He froze, turning to see the closed sign hanging plainly in the window. He had not helped a frail man get in. He had hindered a business owner from going home. Before you judge someone as helpless, think about it. Maybe you are the one who can't see clearly.